are you? 4? You're 4? This way.
Whoa. Okay, look. We gotta talk up there.
Hello.
You gotta look where the green light's at.
Hello. Hello.
Hello, how are you?
How are you?
Hey, what do we do today?
I don't know.
You don't know.
I don't know, I say.
Are you gonna start school soon?
Yes?
When?
Kindergarten? September.
Oh. Say something to camera.
I say outfits.
Look up there.
I said outfits.
Just look. You don't have to. Just look up there and talk.
Outfits.
No, look up there.
I am Ray. Ray.
Oh, maybe it smells like cheese. Stop screaming.
You have cheese?